Looking for the best electric chainsaw in 2025? Whether you're cutting firewood, trimming trees, or tackling tough yard work, we've got you covered. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 electric chainsaws that deliver power, efficiency, and reliability, all without the hassle of gas or cords. From lightweight models for beginners to heavy-duty beasts for professionals, these picks will help you make the right choice. So, grab your safety gear and let's dive in. Number 1. Works Nitro 40V 16-inch cordless chainsaw. The WG385 chainsaw is powered by a robust side-mount motor, which is driven by two 20-volt batteries, each with a capacity of 4 ampere-hours. This combination ensures a substantial and reliable power source for the saw. When you hold and operate the WG385, it exudes the impression of a solid and dependable cutting tool, a perception further reinforced by its impressive disc count. One standout feature of this chainsaw is its precise chain break, which enhances safety during use. Additionally, it boasts a generously sized bar oil reservoir, making it convenient for extended cutting sessions without frequent refilling. The oil cap is designed to be user-friendly, allowing for easy access and refilling without any specialized tools. Maintenance is hassle-free with the tool-free chain tightening mechanism, making adjustments quick and straightforward. To keep you informed about the remaining battery charge, the chainsaw is equipped with a conveniently located button that provides this essential information at a glance. For those who already own Works 20-volt and 40-volt power tools, the WG385 chainsaw is a sensible and complementary addition to your tool arsenal. Its compatibility with your existing Works batteries and tools ensures a seamless integration into your lineup, making it a practical choice for users invested in the Works ecosystem. Pros. Pro. Able to cut a lot in one go. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 2. Makita XCU07PT battery-powered chainsaw. This Makita chainsaw offers users a compact and well-crafted cutting tool that maintains the high-quality fit and finish characteristic of the company's other power tools. Notably, its width measures only 5.5 inches at its widest point. While some competitors may produce more significant results, it's essential to consider that these larger options often come with added bulk and weight, which can accumulate fatigue during extended use of any power tool. The XCU07PT chainsaw stands out with its precise chain break, positioned conveniently for quick and efficient operation. The power switch is sensibly located at the front of the handle, enhancing user accessibility and control. Moreover, the chainsaw features a prominently placed battery gauge that remains easily readable even in harsh sunlight conditions. If you're already invested in Makita's 18-volt power tool platform, this chainsaw is a valuable addition to your toolkit. While it may not match the raw power of competitors like Echo or Milwaukee, it is perfectly suited for landscape maintenance tasks. One of its key advantages is its significantly lighter weight, weighing approximately 3 pounds less than comparable saws on the market. Pros. Slim. Cons. Makes relatively few cuts on one charge. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 3. Ego Power Plus CS1604 battery-powered chainsaw. The CS1604 chainsaw operates remarkably quietly and features a generously sized dial for chain tightening, enhancing user convenience. Its cutting capability extends to effortlessly handling substantial hardwood logs of large diameters. Additionally, it offers peace of mind with a comprehensive 5-year warranty. However, there are a few user-friendliness considerations to bear in mind. The filler neck for bar oil is relatively narrow, making it prone to overfilling, and the cap lacks a tether, which could lead to it getting misplaced or collecting dirt when not in use. Pros. Fast. Cons. Filler neck for bar oil is easy to overfill. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 4. Oregon Max CS300 battery-powered chainsaw. In our testing, this chainsaw stood out as the sole self-sharpening model. To activate this innovative feature, known as Power Sharp, simply run the saw while pulling the red lever simultaneously. The process is both straightforward and remarkably rapid, resulting in the creation of a razor-sharp chain within seconds. Moreover, the saw's additional features are similarly engineered for swift and effortless operation, covering aspects such as oil refilling and chain tightening. Pros. Chain keeps itself honed. Cons. Not particularly fast. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 5. Denali by Skil 20V Brushless 12-inch Chain Saw Kit. Denali may be a newcomer to the power tool market, but our testing revealed a pleasant surprise in its disc performance. While it was noticeably louder and exhibited more vibration compared to other saws, it holds strong appeal for individuals on a tight budget who require a reliable power saw for tasks like handling fallen branches, tidying up the landscape, or preparing fire pit materials. Despite its affordability, the Denali package includes the complete kit, consisting of the saw, charger, and battery. Notably, it offers the convenience of tool-free chain adjustment and a functional chain brake, as opposed to a stationary handguard. This represents excellent value for the price, particularly when you consider the 12-inch bar's impressive cut capacity that it provides. Pros. Budget-friendly but capable. Cons. A bit louder and has more vibration than other saws. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com.